Unleashing the power of laughter, how 10 minutes of daily jokes can transform your life. Are you feeling down, stressed out, or just need a good laugh? Well, look no further than your own sense of humor. A recent study conducted by the University of Oxford has found that laughter has significant health benefits and can positively impact various aspects of our lives. The study, which surveyed over 3,000 individuals, found that those who engaged in 10 minutes of daily laughter reported lower stress levels, improved mood, and increased productivity. In fact, participants reported feeling more energized and motivated to tackle their daily tasks after incorporating daily laughs into their routine. But why is laughter so powerful? According to Dr. Robert Provini, a professor of psychology at the University of Maryland, laughter serves as a social glue that can strengthen relationships and promote bonding between individuals. It also releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. So how can we incorporate more laughter into our daily lives? One simple way is to set aside 10 minutes each day to read jokes or watch funny videos. There are plenty of resources available online, including websites, YouTube channels, and social media accounts dedicated to humorous content. Another option is to attend a comedy show or improv class. Not only will you get a good laugh, but you may also meet new friends and improve your social skills. It's important to note that not all types of humor are created equal. While harmless jokes can be beneficial, hurtful humor or sarcasm can have negative effects on our emotional well-being and relationships. So it's important to choose sources of laughter that align with your values and promote positive emotions. Incorporating laughter into our daily routines may seem like a small change, but the benefits can be profound. As the saying goes, laughter is the best medicine, and for good reason. So why not give it a try and see how a daily dose of humor can transform your life?